Welcome back. The 5th edition of the annual DD Kosambi Festival of Ideas began at Kala Academy. It was inaugurated by Indian screenwriter and director Saeed Mirza. The first lecture of the 5-day series was delivered by Professor Uma Dashgupta. She spoke on the topic Meeting of East and West, Rabindranath Tagore's challenging ideas for world change.
So many writers, painters, poets, filmmakers, designers have made Goa their home, if not their second home. So if some ignorant people, as one did about a few months ago, reduce Goa to a space for sex and alcohol and fun and frolic, all I can tell you is that forgive them, for they do not know what they say. It is important for us to underline this fact that Goa, it seems, is seen as a state of sun and laughter and music and alcohol. That's not the real story. There's much more to Goa than that.
Tagore communicated similar thoughts also to his own Shantiniketan community of teachers and students. His ideas of a meeting of East and West were very important to his life's goals and actions. He thus made it his goal to bring the West on terms of equality to the India of his imagination, which for him had to be an India of multiple cultures, an India where the impoverished village is given education and dignity of life, an India building its strength and self-respect by uniting castes and communities under an enlightened leadership.
Our reporter Jason Suarez for Prudent Media.
All Goa Private Bus Owners Association has declared their support to the BJP but not the coalition. However, they have decided not to support MGP candidates and have threatened to campaign against them. They have sent a 20-point questionnaire to the BJP's party president Nitin Gadkari.
MGचे कॅन्डिडेट खंय खंय पळय थंय आमी वयचे ना ज्या ज्या जाग्यार MGचे आहा पळय थंय ज्या ज्या जाग्यार BJPचे आहा थंय आमी अवश्य फुडें आसतले BJP वांगडा तश्यो BJPन आपल्या स्वताच्या फायद्याक लागून खुबशे सेटिंगो केल्लेले आहा गोविंद पर्वतकर म्हणून कितें आहा हांगासर कॅन्डिडेट हाडून पळय दिलो गोविंद पर्वतकर पर्वरीन तो कित्याक 200-300 मतां काडून आनी भलत्याचेर जप्प काडून थंयसर उबो केल्लो आहा खूब बहुजन समाजाचे नेते आसले मानन हसनोडकर आसलो कुंदा चोडणकर आसली तेंच्यांनी तिकेटी प्रपोज केल्ल्यो हांव विटनेस आहा अरुण जेटली कडेन मांडवी हॉटेलान तेंकां कित्याक दिल्यो गेल्यो ना.
Private bus owners held press conference in Panji on Tuesday. They have demanded answers from BJP's central leadership to their 20 questions. The major questions are: will the party's motto be to have a corruption-free government if it wins the assembly election? BJP-MGP alliance should declare their stand on MOI issue. Whether BJP would choose Ramesh Tavadkar from ST community or Damodar Naik from Bahujan Samaj community as CM.
हे आमच्या विविध लोकांनी आमकां जे पळय कळयल्या हे आमी तेंचे कडेन आज मांडलेल्या आनी तितून आमी ऑलरेडी सांगला रे की 8 दिसां भितर आमकां कितें तेचेर उत्तरां पळयची कितें आहा ती कळोवची आनी जर तर तेका तर इंट्रस्ट ना असो लोकांचे बारीक लोकांचो इंट्रस्ट ना जाल्यार तेणी ते ऑलरेडी हे करूंक शकता.
Our reporter Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Aspirants are gearing up in the state for the forthcoming assembly poll. Here's a look at the political happenings in the state.
Home Minister Ravi Naik started his election campaigning from Kandepar village on Tuesday. Ravi Naik said that he would work to fulfill the demands of the people once their government comes back to power.
जो मागणी ज्यो आसात आमचे सरकार नंतर आमी बेगिनात बेगीन जे कितें तेंची वोटाची मागणी आसा त्यो पुरे करपाक आमी वावरतले आनी खुद्द हांव वावरतलो. IT हॉस्पिटल आमचे आसा आतां चालू आसा कित्याक मोठे हॉस्पिटल आनी हे म्हापशेपेक्षा मोठे हॉस्पिटल आसा IT हॉस्पिटल 220 खाटीचे आसा ते 5 ऑपरेशन थिएटर आसा पण तेचे काम हे चल्ले आसा आनी हे काम आतां केबल फायनल म्हणजे लायटीचे केबल जाय तेका लायटीचे डायरेक्ट केबल आतां फोडून रस्ते चालू आसा काम चालू आसा आनी चड करून ह्याच वर्साक जातले ते.
Congress candidate of Mandrai constituency Dayanand Sopte started door-to-door election campaign from Harmal village on Tuesday. Saplesh Desai, aspiring NCP candidate, would now contest on ticket of Trinamool Congress in Kankon constituency. He informed that NCP denied him ticket as Kankon seat has been given to the Congress due to Congress-NCP alliance. He started his election campaign from Pole. Independent candidate from Banauli, Dr. Hubert Gomes, started his election campaign. Dr. Hubert Gomes remarked that during this assembly election, money power would not overpower people's power.
This election antu money power will not work. It is the people's power which is going to win the election. I will be supporting the government coalition which will be formed, but it will be a issue-based support. So I will be a different type of a politician who will not only be talking in Goa Assembly, but I will be with the people on the streets if government works against the interests of the people.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now a look at other political events in the state.
BJP youth leader Umesh Murudkar joined the Congress party during Babu Asgaokar's campaign meeting in Pedne on Monday. Sports Minister Babu Asgaokar welcomed Murudkar in the party. Asgaokar informed that he is confident that their government would come back to power.
दारगळ मतदारसंघाचो जाल्लो विकास हो कोण जो आमचो कोरगांव गांव जो आसा तो फाटी आसा तो फुडें म्हणजे दारगळ मतदारसंघाचो तेचो विकास जावचो ह्या एकाच उद्देशान हांव फुडें सरला.
काँग्रेस सरकार 100% गोंयांत जाता परते सत्तेर येतात आनी लोकांक विश्वास आसा की फुडलें गव्हर्नमेंट हें आमचें जाता म्हणून.
Independent candidate from Pedne, Subhash Kirkar, started his election campaign on Monday by invoking the blessings of deity Bhagwati. Kirkar informed that unemployment is the major problem in Pedne constituency.
भगवती आमी नमस्कार करून आमच्या आयज प्रचार सभेची आमी सुरवात केल्ली आसा. हांगासर भुरगे बरे शिकलेले आसा, एज्युकेशन बरे तरेन घेतलेले आसा, पूण हांगासर एक जॉबांची मोठी समस्या आसा. प्रत्येक भागान आयज आमी फिरत आसतना प्रत्येक भागान एक लोकांची म्हणटा एक जॉब ही मोठी समस्या जाल्ली आसा आनी त्या दृश्टीन आमी हांगासर हे मोठे पाऊल उचलपाची आमची तयारी आसा.
Rally of Youth Congress was organized in Shiroda constituency on Sunday. Thousands of youths participated in the rally.
5 फेब्रुवारी फाल्यांच्यान फॉर्म भरपाचे प्रोसिजर आसा. ताका लागून आमी आज थारायलें की आमी यूथ काँग्रेसची रॅली घेवया अशें म्हणून भुरग्यांक थारायलें आनी बरें आसा अशें म्हणून त्या प्रमाणे यूथ काँग्रेसची आज रॅली जाल्ली आसा. जवळ जवळ 2 ते 3 हजार यूथ जे आसात ते शिरोडेच्यान परिवर्तन करपा खातीर भायर सरले आसात. काल जी 22 नांवां घोशीत जाल्लीं आसात. लोकांचो कानोस घेतलो जर जायत लोक अशें म्हणटात 22 जिखपाचें मरे म्हणून. तर 22 जिखपा आसा जर जाय जाल्यार मागीर थंय आनी दुसरी पक्षा कडेन युती करपाची किंवा त्यांचा आधार घेवपाचो आनी प्रश्नच येना.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.